Hey kids, it's me, Mr. Archer, and I'm back with Blender. Today we'll be using the Grease Pencil tool. So off to the upper left, we'll select File, New, 2D Animation, and we're greeted with our canvas. Right, so we can take our left mouse button and we can start doodling. Cool, huh? Okay, let's get rid of those. Control or Command Z. Let's change our colors. We'll go off to the right under Materials. We'll get rid of these colors right here, these materials, by selecting minus. So make sure these are gray, so they're selected. And minus, minus, minus. And like a new, and make sure it's under stroke. We're just going to focus on strokes today. So first let's make red. We'll type red here, and we'll select the base color. Bring this up, bring this down, we have red. So now we can go make sure our draw mode is on. We have our pencil selected here. We have other tools or brushes we can use. We can left click. So the pencil, the opacity is kind of dropped here. So I'm just going to get rid of those. And I'm going to choose pen. Right there. Get rid of that. I want to make the radius a little bit bigger. So we're going to click up on the top here. That's better. Control or Command Z. Now let's add some more colors on our materials. New. Call this one orange. Bring this up, down to orange. Make another one. Yellow. Make green. Blue. Indigo. Right about there, maybe? You let me know. One more. New. Violet. There. How about that? So now, all these colors here, and they're all strokes. I'm just going to talk about strokes today. Red selected, and our draw tool. Make red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. How's that? Now we have a rainbow. We did that using the Grease Pencil tool. If we hit F12 on our keyboard, we can render out our rainbow. Go to Image. We can save as. And you can upload it to Facebook. Bye, kids.